Are you going? Let me see it, just to make sure.
It's on, it's on.
You suck at this. You're on the phone. Alright guys, 2011 S40. We're gonna put the air box in, and this is a how to not video. Now, we actually got lucky to get this out. Dad got it out first. Let's. Oh, we're underneath it now. Oh, we're close. Something's hitting over here.
It needs to be this way. It needs to be as far back to that as you can get it. Not crazy. There you go.
Okay. So, looks like the air box has to go at an angle. Make sure that this side is as close to the steering wheel as you can get it, while clearing the fan, and then you should be able to get it right in here. Make sure your lines are up above it. Here, there we go. Now that we have it here, then now it's just lining up those pins in there. I think I'm on the other one too. Yeah, yep. There we go. That's it. We're in. The dumbest design known to man.